This egusi will make you hungry instantly. If you love good food, then stay with me and watch the step-by-step process of how I achieve this perfect egusi soup. Not so watery, no mistakes, just the perfect egusi soup with simple ingredients, and you achieve the perfect result. Beginner or not, this recipe is perfect for everyone. Let's quickly get into the ingredients I'll be using in making this egusi soup. So I have all my ingredients I'll be using here. So I'll be using some assorted meat and beef. I also have onion. I also have my red oil, some blended crayfish. I also have my stockfish dried fish. And for egusi soup you need vegetables, so my choice of vegetable for this egusi soup is bitter leaf. So I have my bitter leaf, and I have my egusi not blended, and I have my pepper mix, which consists of tomato, scotch bonnet pepper, and dry pepper. Me personally, I love using fresh tomato for my egusi, but it's totally optional if you don't like it. So I'll first of all start by boiling our meat. So I'll go in with our meat. I'll add some onion, some pepper, salt, and seasoning. I'll allow the meat to cook in its own juice for some minutes. When you cook your meat like this, it actually tastes better. So when it cooks on its own juice for some minutes, then before I'll go ahead to add water to it that will cook the meat for it to be soft enough. While our meat is on fire, I'll go ahead to start prepping the bitter leaf. So I'm going to remove the leaves from the stem. Then I'll be showing you a very easy hack on how to easily wash your bitter leaf, and the bitterness will go out in minutes. You don't have to struggle for a long time washing and washing. So let's get to it. I'm done removing all the bitter leaf from the stem, so I'll go ahead to check on our meat, and it has been cooking in its own juice for some time, and I'm going to add more water to it so that it can cook properly, so that it will be soft. So I'll add more water to it. I have added more water to the meat, so I'll just go ahead to cover this and allow it to cook like 95% before I'm going to take it out. So I'll cover this and allow it to cook. Next, I'll be going ahead with the hack I told you about. So I'll go ahead to add our bitter leaf into a pot. I'm going to add water to it and allow it to boil. The longer you boil the bitter leaf, the lesser the bitterness. So the more you boil it, the lesser the bitterness. So we are going to allow this to boil. So I'll go ahead to start blending my egusi. So I'll blend my egusi. After blending my egusi, I'll go ahead to blend our pepper mix and set it aside. So I'll go ahead to check on the bitter leaf and it's boiling already, so it's okay. So I'll just go ahead to wash it. So this will just take me few minutes because I boiled it already, and the boiling really helps in getting rid of the bitterness, so you don't have to waste too much time in washing and washing. So the more you boil it, the more the bitterness goes out easily. So you are going to boil it according to how you like yours. So I'll just wash it, and this is what we have. Then I will go straight ahead to start making the soup. So I'll just go in with some red oil into my pot. I added some onion, and this is our blended egusi. So I'll just go ahead to add some water to it to just form a paste. I'll mix it with my spoon, smoothing it, and it's already formed a paste. Then I will start frying. I'll be adding the egusi bit by bit till I exhaust all the egusi. So I'm going to allow the egusi to fry on low heat. Please don't allow it to burn, and please always fry your egusi very well. You don't want to come out with egusi that is not well cooked. So I'll fry this properly till it is well fried. Then I'll go ahead to add my pepper mix we blended. I'm going to fry it along with the egusi till everything has combined nicely. As you can see, everything is well combined. Our egusi is properly fried with our pepper mix, and at this stage I'm going to go ahead to add our meat and our meat stock to it. Then I'll go in with the dry fish and crayfish powder. I noticed that the soup was a little bit too thick, so I added some water to loosen it up a bit. Then I'll go ahead to cover this and bring this to a boil. The soup is boiling already. Can you see the soup? So at this stage I'm going to add a little bit of salt and seasoning, and I'll taste, and it's perfectly fine. So I'll go ahead to add my bitter leaf, my washed bitter leaf, to the soup. Then I'll stir this and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes, and guys, our soup is ready. This egusi soup tasted so nice. It was really nice, like really nice. I bet you if you make your egusi this way, you will really enjoy it. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one.